Hi, in this video training of Node.js, we will be learning about Node.js modules. So what is a module in Node.js? Consider modules to be the same as JavaScript libraries, a set of functions you want to include in your application. Node.js have lot of built-in modules. Node.js has a set of built-in modules which you can use without any further installation. Look at the built-in modules reference for a complete list of modules. I have also included this URL in this video training description, so you can get the URL from there as well. Okay, how to include modules? To include a module, use the require function with the name of the modules. For example, var http equals require http. Now your application has access to the http module and is able to create a server. Let's create a project file for this training. Node module 1.js. Okay, and I have to var http equals require http. This is a built-in module and we can use it to create server and function request response. Okay, and we say response dot write head. This will be sent in the header. The response 200 is the server code that we will be sending to the client, and content type is HTML, so the browser knows what is the return type. Then we have and the response by sending in the string hello world, and we will be listening at port 80. Let's run this program. Node module. Okay, now we have the module running. Let's see this in the browser. See, we have got hello world, so our browser is up and running. Okay, this was about the HTTP built-in module in Node.js. You can create your own modules and easily include them in your applications. The following example creates a module that returns a date time object. Let's create a module that returns the current date time. So let's create a project file for this module into Sublime, and we are going to name it my first module.js, and going to say exports dot date my date time equals function and its return date. Okay, use the exports keyword to make properties and methods available outside the module file. Save the code above in a file called myfirstmodule.js. Okay, now include your own module. Use the myFirstModule in a Node.js file. So let's open our example that we have built here, and we are going to require the module that we have just built in my first module.js. Need to mention JS. Okay, and here we are going to write the date and time are currently, and we are going to concatenate dt.my date, time, and we are just going to end the response, and let's run this program. You see we have got the put on the browser that says the date and time are currently Wednesday, January 6, 2021, 23:47:04 GMT +5. So basically we imported the module that we created, and this is the module that we created, date time module, and we use the exports keyword, which made this function available outside the module. And you use the require keyword if you want to import the built-in module or the custom module, and then you can use this variable, object variable, within your application. Notice that we use // to locate the module. That means that the module is located in the same folder as the Node.js file. Save the code above in a file called demo-module.js and initiate the file. So we use the node-module1.js. You can name it any file you want, doesn't matter. I hope that you've understood the concept of custom modules in Node.js, and hope you have liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time with a new video in Node.js.